Okay, today I'll be teaching you how to take apart a computer. The computer I'm taking apart is an Inspiron. There are many ways to do this. Don't just go smashing at it with a hammer. That never works. Okay, here's the computer. Okay, first thing is to take out your hard drive. Flip it upside down. Oh yeah, also make sure the battery is not in it. The battery goes there. Hard drive should be 2 screws here and here. I just don't have them in. Just take it out. Should be there. Mine's not in there. Second step to taking it apart is you have to open up the RAM. Which should be located in a opening on the bottom. So if you've ever wanted to know why your computer runs so slow, maybe because you have a really crappy RAM, well, here's the RAM. If you want to take it out, on the sides there are 2 little things holding it. You just pop those up and take it out. Okay, so there you go. That's your RAM. And then I still have yet to learn what this thing is. So if any of you know, you can tell me. Oh yeah, by the way, the most important thing to have is a small screwdriver. Very small. Okay, I still don't really know what that is. You always want to take off these panels because it's easier to work with. Okay, also you want to take out the CD drive too. You want to take out anything that you can. Okay, there's usually a screw there. It's out on mine. And where the RAM is, you push that and it pops out. Here's your CD drive. CD/DVD, depending on what you have. Okay, next step is unscrewing all these annoying screws that are everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna put this down for a second. Sorry about that, my camera ran out of batteries. Okay, so once you unscrew all the screws, then you take it, gently flip it over, as gently as you can, because I do not advise doing this unless you know what you're doing, or it's an old broken computer like this is. Okay, so now that you have it upside up and on top, to take a screwdriver, which is in there somehow, and pry this thing up right here. This thing right here, once you get it up, to bend the rest of this back, pull it. So get this up, don't lose this because you need this later. Okay, by the way, I have a second computer that I'm using to film. Same type of computer as an Inspiron. Same exact kind. I fixed this one by taking parts from this one and putting them into this one. Just so you know. Yeah. Okay, so now you have this. Now, in order to remove the screen, you have to unscrew 4 screws right here. With your screws, don't lose them. Keep them somewhere safe and don't lose them. Oh yeah, do every other so that it doesn't just fall off.